everyone. This is Miss Taiwo Titilayo, so you call me Miss Titi. So today for year 1, we are going to be learning addition of numbers with carrying. Everyone, let's say that. Addition of numbers with carrying. Yes. So what carrying simply means, we're going to be learning all about that today, is moving a number from one side to the other side. Do you understand? You carry the number maybe from the unit to the tens. Do you understand? Okay, I'm sure you still remember your addition using tens and units, right? Okay, let me quickly do a revision of that. Tens and unit. Okay, 2 and 3. Remember your addition sign, right? Yes, your addition sign. It means count it together. Everyone do that. Count it together. Very good. So remember this sign whenever you want to do your addition. Okay, so we have 1 and 2. So we start from the unit. You start from your unit. Remember, tens and units. So we start from the unit. Let's count 3. Everyone count with me. 1, 2, 3 lollipops. So they were using lollipops. Okay, so we have what here? 2. So let's count. 1, 2. 2 lollipops. So we count all the lollipops you have together. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 lollipops on this side. So we have under the tens. When you're done with your units, you go to your tens. What number do we have there? 2. So let's count 2 lollipops. 1, 2 lollipops. Then what do we have here? 1. So let's count 1 lollipop. 1 lollipop. Then we count all our lollipops together to know how many we have. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 lollipops. So this is your addition using tens and units. I just wanted to remind you. So to today's work, addition of numbers using with carrying. So let's go. 5. Okay, so as usual, it's still the same rule. As usual, we're going to start from the unit. Very good. You start from the unit. And under the unit, what's the first number? Number 8. Very good. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. You counted 8 lollipops with me. And then under 8 we have 2. Very good. So let's count 2 lollipops together. 1, 2. So we have 2 lollipops. So addition means count it together. Great, good job. So let's count it all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. So we have 10 as our number. Is this right? No, it isn't right. Remember, unit means 1. So having 2 numbers there is wrong. Having 2 digits there is wrong. So what do? We write the 10 outside. You write it outside. You write it here so that you don't forget. Write it here. So this is our 10. So what you do next is to write tens and units on those numbers. You've written your 10 outside, so you write tens and units on it. So we write unit under the unit. Good. That means we're writing our 0. What number is under unit? 0. So we write 0 here. And then the number under your tens will be taken to tens. Do you understand? So we take it here, you write 1 here, and then you circle it so you don't forget. You circle it. So we move to tens now. We're done with unit. So the first number under tens is 5. Good. So let's count 5 lollipops together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Then we have number 3. So let's count number 3 now. Let's count everyone. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then don't forget your number 1 that you carried. Good. So let's count 1. Let's count it. 1. Now we count it all together. So let's count. Start from your 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So all together we have 9. Can you see that? So that is addition with carrying. Let's have one more example. Okay. So let's have one more example. 2 and then 9 and then 8. Okay, so this is our number. As usual, where do we start from? Think. Is it the T or the U? The unit. Very good. Excellent. So what number is under the unit? Number 9. Good. So now year 1, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Excellent job. So under number 9, what do we have? Number 8. Good. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So what do we do now? This sign means count it together. So let's count together, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So do I write my 17 like this? Am I right? No. So where do we write 17? We write it outside. You write it here. Good. You write it outside, and after doing that, what do? We write tens and unit on it. So let's do that, everyone. Write your tens and then you write your unit. So the U should be written under the unit. See? Unit goes to the unit. So you write 7 under unit, and then tens goes to the tens. So what number is under tens? 1. So let's write it under it. So we write it beside it, and then we circle it. We are circling it not because it's supposed to be circled, but so that you don't forget it, because you're just starting. Do you understand? You shouldn't forget that number. That is why I keep telling you to circle it. Okay, so let's count our first number, and that number under T, under the tens, is 3. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we have number 2. So let's count 2. 1, 2. Then don't forget the number you carried. So let's count it. 1. Good. So let's count it. This sign means count it together. So let's count together, everyone, starting with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Do you understand now? So I hope with this method, you understand addition with carrying very well, and you can do it on your own. I'm going to be sending you some worksheet home as usual, so you're going to carry out this activity on your own at home with mommy and daddy. Okay, so see you next time. I love you and have fun. Bye bye. Stay safe.